Hi all, this is Mamta Pandey from my channel MP Digital Tech. Welcome to all on my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to take you all through the topic name is Facebook page in digital marketing. But before of that, I'll request you all to like, share my video and subscribe my channel too to get update on another topic of digital marketing. So guys, in this video I'm going to give complete explanation about Facebook page. So explanation of Facebook page I have divided in 4 parts. As you can see, I have written on my notepad. So first one is what is Facebook page, second one is what is use of it, third one is why we use it, and fourth one is how to make Facebook page. So I'll be explaining one by one all of this. So first one is I'll tell you what is Facebook page. So Facebook page is nothing but a page, a kind of page that we have got from Facebook to create a ad. Okay, so when I'll create ad, I'll be showing you the feature and all of the Facebook page. And second one is what is use of it. So it's a very useful for us and for everybody, because from our Facebook ID we can get connect to limit people. The limitation of connecting people is only 5,000. We can connect to 5,000 people by using Facebook ID. But if you are creating Facebook page, so by using Facebook page you can get connected to many people. There is no limit of getting connection of people. And why we use it. So the reason I'll tell you, suppose if you have any business and you want to do branding, you want to do marketing, you want to sell anything, you want to get business, so in that case you can use Facebook page, because nowadays everyone is using Facebook. So obviously they will be getting awareness of your product if you are doing marketing through Facebook. So that is the reason on corporate level also companies are using this Facebook marketing. So this, I hope this third one is also clear. Now the fourth one is how to make Facebook page. So I'll be showing you step by step how to make Facebook page. So I'm using my own account to create one page. I'll be showing you here. So guys, this is my own Facebook account. Here when you will click, so in right side you will get option. These are the options. Actually already I have created 2 pages. So whatever page you will create, it will appear here. So leave about that. I'm going to create one more page. So I'm clicking on create page. So I'll click on this. I have created. Now I have clicked on that. Then I got option here. So one is like you have to select either these or these. So first one is business or brand, and second one is community or public figure. So suppose I have a business like marketing business. This is a marketing business I'm doing, and I wanted to do marketing for that. So I'll select these options. So get started. I have selected this. Then it will ask for page name. So page name I'm giving over here. I can give anything. So I'll be giving like MP Digital Tech. Then here it's asking for category, which category your page belongs. So education. Yeah, so it's like education website I can give, because I'm giving training, online training, so I can select education category. Then you need to click on category. Continue. So click on it. Highlight, please connect with customer, grow your business and showcase your product. It look like already, okay, sorry. So I can already, actually I have created one page by this name, so it's not taking. I can just change the name. I'll put it 2. Now I can see continue. Yeah, so MP Digital Tech 2 is taking. Already I had created one MP Digital Tech, so it was not taking. So now it's time to upload your profile picture, or else you can skip the part. So I want to upload profile picture here. I have one picture that I can upload here, so I'm uploading that. I have on desktop. This is the image I want to put. So I'm selecting this, I'm putting this. Then here it's asking for cover page. So cover page also I have dummy cover page I can keep. Later on I'll be changing it. So it's done. Actually my net is slow, so it's taking time. Sorry for that, guys. Yeah, so it's done. So see, this is my profile pic. Just now I have uploaded it, and this is my cover page of Facebook page. So this is done. So if you are done with this step, so your Facebook page will appear like this, and here you will get some options. So home, this is your home page. If you want to upload anything, you can upload from here. From here, video, photos, whatever you want, you can upload from here. Then if you have any event, you are organizing any kind of event related to your business, so that kind of update you can give here. Then in reviews, if any customer is happy with your service and they want to put some reviews, so they can come and they can put review from here. About means you can give the whole description about your business, your like category education. If you want to edit that, already I have selected this education over there, so it's automatically taking here. If you want to change this business type, if you want to put your phone number, your mail ID, if you have a website you want to keep, so that also you can keep here. So here like you can give overall information about business. Then videos, if you are uploading any kind of videos related to your service, so that will get appear here. So later on, like in future purpose, in future, if you wanted to see all that thing, like whatever you have uploaded, so by using this option you can see. In photos, whatever photos you will be uploading, so that will be appearing here. In post to the same, whatever post you are doing on daily basis, so you can go in that and you can see. Community, suppose you are getting, if you have a page, so of course you wanted more people to get like you wanted more people to do like for your page. So if you can run ad for that, and or else you can invite your friend to like your page. So community in that, suppose I'm getting 10 like for my page, so it will appear here. I don't have, just now I have created, so I don't have any like on my page, so that's what it here it is showing 0. So future, if in future I'm getting any like from my friends, or if I'm running any ad, so because of that I'll be increasing this number. Then info and ad, so if I create any kind of ad for my business, so that info and ad, like in this call, in this section I'll be able to see the type of ad. So I think guys, like overall idea I have given about the Facebook page, how it will look like and how to create it, and what is use of it, what is benefit of it. So I hope guys you understood the topic and you like the video. Please like, share my video guys, and subscribe my channel too. If you have any doubt while creating the page, so please ask me through the comment. I'll reply to your comment guys. Thank you.